Well, I like playing negative shades or grey shades, and like I keep giving credit to this genre of film to my directors because they're the masters of these kind of films. And when I heard the script, I loved it. I loved the script, but I also loved my role a lot. Reminded me of my time in Dhoom. So I'm very excited, and I think each one of us have played a positive and a negative shade in this film, and that's the beauty of this film.
It's not different at all. Same character. वही मैं फल खाता हूँ और but the only thing is of course अपना Ranveer which is played by Saif and I play Robert DeCosta. Our characters are the same. We are the same characters, but the situations and the story is different. Yeah.
आती हैं दीपिका,
अमीषा तो
जैकलीन।
चेरी है और बिल्कुल फिल्म भी नाम में उनका नाम चेरी है. जैकलीन को मैं क्या कहूँ? जैकलीन is what do you which is strawberry. Yes, strawberry. Yes, yeah, strawberry. Yeah, strawberry. Yeah, of course. It's a berry, yeah, but it's fine. It's a fruit. And Deepika, I just I love mangoes, so I would say that I think John को मैं apple बोलूँगा. He's like an apple and very healthy. Apple a day keeps a doctor away. And Saif साहब क्या आप बताइए?
अनिल जी यहाँ चॉइस नहीं चलेगी, आप बताइए।
बनाना
और
केला मैं अपने आप को नारियल बाहर से कड़क मगर अंदर से नरम
एकदम झकास।
फेंसिंग सीक्वेंस है जो जैकी ने वो उन्होंने सीखी, जो वियतनाम से कुछ लोग आए थे ट्रेनर्स, उनसे सीखी। बाकी दीपिका कैन ड्राइव द कार वेरी नाइस, तो वो गाड़ी अच्छी चलाई उसने, तो वो कार की एक्शन उन्होंने की।
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक्शन है, इट्स फन, इट्स ऑल्सो अ थ्रिलर। इसमें एक केज फाइट भी है जो करने में शूट करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। एंड इसके बाद भी जितनी सारी फिल्में कर रहा हूँ मैं, दे हैव एन एलिमेंट ऑफ एक्शन एंड आई एंजॉय दैट स्पेस।
ये मेरा पहला सीक्वल है। रेस वन एक बहुत अलग कहानी थी और हम लोग बहुत फॉर्चुनेट थे। बिपाशा जी ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था। कटरीना कैफ का जो तारा था वो भी एक राइज पे था, सब लोगों का एक्चुअली, हमारा भी। अक्षय खन्ना, वी वर वेरी लकी टू गेट आई थिंक अ माइंड ब्लोइंग परफॉर्मेंस आउट ऑफ दैट गाय, इज अ ग्रेट एक्टर। अनिल जी वाज फैंटास्टिक। द स्क्रिप्ट वाज अमेजिंग, but it was more of a thriller. This is a different kind of film which needed different characters, and we're very lucky to have had the glamour of these three girls in front of you. I think I've done a few films with Deepika, but this film, she's acted very differently. That's easy to say, but it's interesting to do. I'm really happy that Amisha also did this part. She's played this जैसे एक dumb blonde का role होता है, लेकिन उसको करना भी काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है to do it gracefully. So she's done it very well and looked amazing in the film. And Jackie, of course, I hope people see what an amazing job she's done. This song Lat Lag Gayi already has become so popular, and she's worked really hard and done tremendously well. And of course, it was a great privilege and fun working with John. Made us go to the gym and concentrate on how we're looking, as well as Anil ji. Everybody, I think we had a great positive vibe. So this Starcast has been fantastic.
Comfortable you are with Saif?
I think you as an audience have to tell me what you think of the chemistry that we share. As far as the feedback that we normally get, I think people like our on-screen chemistry. But that's thanks to the characters and the kind of films that we do. I think in love stories, it's important that the chemistry works. And I think for films like Love Aajkal or in Cocktail, you need that chemistry. And I think we're just lucky that we've had it.
की डिमांड जिस तरह बोल्ड तरीके से पेश किया गया था, बस
I don't think that's not the only reason that was given an A certificate. I think there was also brothers, cheating brothers. Somebody gets married to somebody else's girlfriend and then she's cheating on him. So it was a little, that was the fun of an Abbas Mustan thriller. Otherwise, India is very, people are very safe. They like the heroes to be Ram, they like the heroines to be Sita. So sometimes it's nice to have the opportunity to and I think the audience loved it. Yes.
करिए तो सलमान का एक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा बिक रहा है, अक्षय, अजय और अब जॉन का एक्शन। तो अगर आपके लिए कोई चॉइस दी जाए या फिर पर्सनल अगर आपका कोई चॉइस हो तो फिर इन चारों में से कौन हो सकता है? एक
I think आपने एक आदमी का नाम नहीं लिया एक्शन में।
चार का नाम
तो
लेकिन मैंने कहा
मैं
एक
जिनको
की
मैं सबसे ज़्यादा एट द मोमेंट माहिर समझता हूँ, which is अक्षय कुमार। मैं उनकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ इन एक्शन। लेकिन ये सारे जो लड़कों हैं, ये स्टार्स हैं, I think there's something, and I'm not being diplomatic, really special about every star.
You're always comparing fruits or somebody or the... Anyway, as far as action is concerned, undoubtedly Akshay Kumar is by far the best action guy.